Hi, I'm Joshua from SharePad. In this video, let's have a look at how to set up a news filter. Let's first click on News in the main toolbar to access this view. Next, click on Filter in the top control bar, and then select Apply/Manage Filters, and then click on New. Here we can give our new filter a name, such as Test for example. Below we have options to include or exclude stories based upon our criteria. Let's first add in a criteria to the Include section. If we click in the box and then start to type, you'll see that some codes appear. Let's select Director/PDMR shareholding for example. An alternative method of finding criteria is by clicking the Codes button here, select a category, and then select some news codes, such as quarterly and annual results. Click on OK, and we can see that these have been added in. To remove a criteria, we can click on the corresponding bin. So now if we click OK and then on Filter, we will only see stories that include our criteria. So here we can see lots of financial reports for the shares in our list. We can edit this filter by clicking on Filter at the top and then Edit Current Filter. Say for example, we weren't currently interested in anything to do with Tesco. We could add this into our Exclude by typing Tesco here, and then either press Enter or click on the Add button here. If we click OK, we can see that the annual report from Tesco has disappeared from our list. Become a better investor with SharePad and discover the advantage. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more quick tips, features and tutorials.